Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the Focusrite Scarlett Solo Studio 3rd generation, which is priced at $219. This is perfect for beginners and affordable, definitely. Alright, just to go through some things, it is compatible with Windows 7, 8.1, and 10, as well as Mac High Sierra, Mojave Catalina. I don't know if I'm saying those right. It is not compatible with OS X Mountain Lion 10.8.5 or Windows Vista. Just keep those things in mind for sure. Alright, I currently have the 2nd generation. We'll be talking about both the 2nd and 3rd generation. I love these products 100%. I've been a beginner for like the beginning of time. I'm still a beginner, and this is great for me. So it comes with headphones, audio interface, input and output plugs, microphone, and a microphone clip. Both 2nd and 3rd generation bundles come with all of these things. What they both do not come with that you are definitely going to need to make this work is these headphone audio adapters. You cannot plug your headphones into the audio interface without it. You'll also need a pop guard, and last but not least, you're going to need a mic stand. Yeah! Okay, now we can talk about some more Focusrite facts as I set up the bundle. Alright, so another awesome feature about the Focusrite Scarlett Studio setup is that it comes with a free Pro Tools demo, which is awesome for beginners. You also get your choice of one free XLN Addictive Keys virtual instrument, and it will be available to you via download once you purchase and register your Focusrite audio interface. All those details should be inside of the box once you receive your package. Now, once you have those headphone adapters, you can use any headphones that you'd like. I like to use my Ariana Grande headphones. I can leave the link in the description if you guys, want to purchase some. But you just take the adapter and you put it right on the end of the headphone thing. And then you stick it into the headphone jack, and then you're all set. Alright, once you're done with that, you hit this clear button right here. And you are ready to record. You should be able to hear yourself from this point. This knob right here controls the volume of your microphone. This would do the 2nd instrument, but we don't have to worry about that one right now. Last but not least, this controls the overall volume of your music, microphone, everything. Master volume. That's the word I'm looking for. Alright guys, before you click add to cart, or before you check out, don't forget to put on a protection plan. 4 years, 3 years, whatever you want. Make sure you read all the details so you know exactly what it protects you from. I definitely love Focusrite products, and I've used my bundle for singing covers, animation videos, and a few other projects. But anyways, hope you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll try to answer as best as I can. Alright, see you next time.